up, you guys? It's Chef AC, and obviously you like what you see, so welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for joining us. So this weekend is a catering event. What? Chef AC has branched off. She definitely has. This event is for 75 people, and I am excited because it is near my hometown, but I am getting booked and busy. So I'm sorry it's been a while since I've actually vlogged, just because it has been a lot. I have been booked and busy and also dealing with life trials and tribulations. Moment of silence for that. Amen. But I am getting started today. I've already done all of my grocery shopping thanks to Walmart, Sam's, and a couple of the meat stores that I have been branching off to that are local. So kudos to them. I love the pickup online because that is definitely the way to go. I do not have to do any of the hard work anymore. They do all the hard work for me, so I save some time and some money, which is always good. So this weekend is for a birthday party in Richburg, South Carolina. So we are getting started right now. Yes, right now. I am getting all of my groceries out of the car, and I am going to show you guys my little layout, how organized I'm trying to be. And we are getting prepped and finished today. So everything that I'm going to be doing, I am going to cut off maybe like 4 hours tomorrow. And we are going to keep it going. We're going to move. All right, guys, first things first is I'm starting on my charcuterie cup cocktails, and this is going to be the appetizer for the event. So we got some smoked Gouda cheese, some feta, some mint and rosemary, some crostinis that we're going to make, some salami and pepperoni. These are going to be our roses, and then we also have some grapes and some strawberries, and then we also have a couple of other things that we're going to add, but I don't have it sitting right here. So we're going to go ahead and start on the crostinis right here, cleaning the fruit and making the roses and cutting the cheeses. So let's get started. So we're going to start off making the crostinis with the French baguette bread, and we're going to slice these into I would say about a ½ inch or 1 inch pieces, and we're going to slice these and bake these in the oven. These are going to make 25 pieces in 1 loaf, and so we have 3 loaves. We're going to finish this out, and then I'll let you know once again. So I have finished cutting all the French bread and ready to make the crostinis. I have my butter with my fresh herbs as well as some dry herbs here, and some of my special seasonings that is going to go into the garlic and herb crostini. Now that we've transferred the French bread into the pan and ready to go into the oven, I'm going to top it off with some of my favorite olive oil. This is so smooth and the quality is amazing. I'm going to go ahead and top this off, and then I'm going to add the garlic butter seasonings, and we're going to pop these in the oven and keep them going for about 5 minutes at a time. Now that we have all the crostinis completed, I am going to go ahead and start chopping these up for the cook. You guys, it is bright and early, and it's the day of the party, and I cannot wait. I am transporting the charcuterie appetizers right now. I think that's how you pronounce them. You know, like some people pronounce them differently, but that's the way I'm going to pronounce them right now. But I'm on the way there, and I will let you know when I get there. I'll show you the venue and show you how I'm going to try to set everything up, because this is actually my first time going here as far as a catering event. I've been here once, and that was for one of my family members' wedding, but that was like years ago, so it probably looks different. So we'll show you how everything looks. Last night I got a lot of things done. The appetizers are completed. I'm transporting them now. The rice is cooking now, and the pasta noodles I made last night. What else did I make? I chopped all of my veggies, cleaned all the meat, so all of that is ready. All I have to do is cook and let it be done, and then we'll transfer all of these 30 minutes away again. And this time I will also have my sister and my sous chef along with me. Right now they're sleeping when they should be actually be up. Yeah, I'm throwing shots, but they are taking a nap, so I will see them when I get back, and so will you guys. We made it to the venue. I have taken all the stuff out of the car, and I'll show you the kitchen area and what the potential venue will look like before the decorations, and I'll show you after. Alright guys, it's 9 o'clock and I'm about to head back. I have everything set up in here as far as the decorations and the table. The only things that's missing is the tier for the cocktails, and then I will be finished around 3, so I'll see you guys when I get back here. I'll keep showing you guys exactly what I'm doing as far as preparation goes, but see you soon. Alright you guys, I'm back and I'm in my little chef jacket, so you know it's official. I am completed and everything back there is ready to get out the car and in the pans for these people to eat. I just want y'all to know that it is very hard trying to vlog me catering by myself because it is a lot. I cannot video all of this and cook and prepare everything. It's a lot, but I got it done. Hopefully you guys like it. Well, y'all better like it because honestly this is a lot. But we are on the way back to the venue and we have about 15 minutes, about a 15-minute drive, and I will show you guys once I finish everything. We are starting the party right now. There's my sous chef. She's chilling. Her feet is hurting just like mine. But the birthday boy just stepped in, so we are about to start serving, and I'll show you the food and well as the birthday boy.